This is my first EAW conference since joining the industry and becoming one of the leaders at my company in Colchester, Vermont. And I have to say, the experience and the knowledge is exactly what I needed. When I came here, I was honestly feeling overwhelmed and almost at a breaking point of thinking about leaving the industry and going back to what I was an expert in previously, which is life insurance. And the knowledge and the relationships and the networking, the people that I've met, the stories that I've heard have really inspired me to stick with it. And I can truly say I feel like I have some tools and ideas and people, relationships that I can take back and are creating a situation where this is manageable, where I now know what I need to do to move my business forward and to not feel like I'm overwhelmed and I don't know, the steps to take to go forward. So if you're not sure about signing up to go to an EAW conference, I would really advise you to do that. No matter where you are in your business, the knowledge you'll gain, the relationships you'll build, it's worth your time and your money to do it.